Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on Chrono24. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to chrono24.com to be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Chrono24. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Chrono24 videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Chrono24 official website where we have a lot of different things. So basically here we can go and buy a watch, where we can go and see some brands, categories and services that we would like to go and search from. We have the sell watch, where you can go and sell a watch as a private seller or as a professional dealer. We also have some magazines, watch collection, we have the Chrono Pulse, we have the frequently asked questions, and the buyer protection. In the top right corner, guys, we also have the notifications, where all of your notifications will be stored. At the moment, I don't have any, but be sure when you have some, they will be there. And also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. So we have your overview, messages, buy, sell, notepad, saved searches, watch collection, categories, your actual profile, notifications, and the log out option at the end. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on Chrono24. Well, the quickest way to contact them is to request a cancellation is via the contact us page, which guys you can go and of course find in the top right corner, the bottom right corner. As you can see, do you have any questions? You have the contact Chrono24 and you can do it there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.